Hi, this is Sana, and I recently did a 3x3 right leaning cable. You can see it right here. And in order to complete my antler here, on this side, I need to do a left leaning cable. So if you wanted to go back and watch the right leaning cable video, you could do that. I'll fast forward through the process. Essentially, what we're going to do is identify the 6 stitches we're cabling, slip the first 3 to a cable needle, and because we want it to go left, we're going to hold it in front. That way we can knit the second set of 3 stitches before the first set, and then pull the first set over and knit it off of our cable needle. So I'm going to stop this video and start another, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, welcome to the next video, which is actually the same video because I'm squashing them together, but oh my gosh, these 1-minute chunks are a little crazy making, but they make the closed captions possible, so thank you for sticking with it. Okay, I just slid my first 3 stitches onto my double point or cable needle, and I'm holding them in front. At this point, I can check and actually stretch them and be like, oh yeah, they're gonna lean to the left. Then I'm gonna knit the stitches off of my left needle. 1, 2, and 3. And finally, I'm gonna knit the stitches off of my cable needle. I am being super careful to knit them in the same order that they were on my left needle and not to twist them at all. It's fairly easy when there are 3 stitches to see that they're not twisted. We have to be a bit more careful if there's only 1 stitch. And this is kind of the hard part. Can you see, like, I am seriously stretching to get my needles to go where they need to go. If you talk like this, it's easier. Oh my goodness. So I just knit 3 off of my cable needle. I can set it down. And I'm gonna purl 1 more and take a look at my cable. It's super squashed together, but it'll relax after I knit across it. And now I can see I have another antler going on. I'm gonna knit 1 more round and show you what it looks like. So I've knit another round and I think you can see my antler fairly well. I'm recording all of these blind. I can't actually see. So yeah, we're making do with what we have available. Here's the antler I just knit. This was my right leaning cable. I held the first 3 stitches in back. I'll be right back. And I knit them second. Then here's my left leaning cable. I held the first 3 stitches in front, knit these first and these second. And I think it's a really nice looking antler. You can see after knitting across it in the next round, it is not so squashy nor so cranky, and everybody's participating and laying nicely, and I'm gonna have a pretty hat. So, yay!